Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make your Spotify pink. So many people want to change the theme of their Spotify because they get bored with this dark theme. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. Moreover, this video is just for the educational purpose. So do it on your own risk. So how you can do it? First of all, you have to search for the Spicify website and you will see this type of the page, and once you will do it, here you will see install. Just tap on the install and here you will see different commands and the procedure. You can follow this procedure. Moreover, if I show you, here is the blog, and in this blog they have explained everything, like install Spicify on your Windows, and then you have to uh, search type PowerShell in your search bar and then run as administrator. Now you have to copy and paste this command in your PowerShell, and after installation complete, you can input specify help to see comprehensive list of command. Alternatively, continue the next step. So you can read this blog as well. The only way I show you is that you can do it easily by following these steps. So check it out. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.